Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Pinterest tag for branding analytics easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Pinterest website and log into your account. If you do not have an account, create one by following the prompts on the homepage. Once logged in, locate that ads option in the top menu. Click on ads and select conversion. You will then see a prompt for setting up the Pinterest tag. Click on the option to create a new tag. Pinterest will guide you through generating your unique tracking code. Choose the appropriate setup for your website, either manually or through a partner platform. For manual setup, copy the provided code snippet. Now, access your website's HTML code. Paste the Pinterest tag code into the header section of your website. Ensure that the snippet is properly placed before the closing /head tag. If you are using a partner platform, follow the specific instructions provided by that platform. After adding the code, return to your Pinterest account. In the Pinterest tag setup, click on Next to proceed. You will be prompted to verify the tag installation. Use the Chrome browser and install the Pinterest Tag Helper extension if you haven't done so. Activate the extension and revisit your website to check for proper installation. Once confirmed, return to Pinterest and click on Continue. Choose the events you want to track, such as page visits or signups. Follow the prompts to complete the tag setup. After configuring your events, click Done to finish the process. Now, your Pinterest tag is set up and tracking data for your branding analytics. To monitor your insights, return to the Ads section and select Analytics. Here you can view performance metrics and make data-driven decisions. Regularly check your analytics to improve your branding strategy over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.